11 we are going to prepare the ledger accounts. Prepare Sudha's account. So here when you are preparing Sudha's account, you have to draw the 8 columns. That means date, particulars, JF, amount, date, particulars, JF, amount. On the left side write down debit, on the right side write down credit, and in the middle Sudha's account. Now let us see. 2018 February 1st, amount due from Sudha. Amount is due from Sudha, so that the first entry will be 1/2/2018, to balance brought down, and in the amount column Sudha's amount is 8,000. On February 4th, goods sold to Sudha. Sudha's account debit to sales. So it comes on the debit side as 8/4/2018 to sales. Then the amount is, we are getting the amount is 11,000. Now, on February 12th, goods returned by Sudha. Sudha is returning goods to us. So that means it is sales returns. So the journal entry is sales returns account debit to Sudha's account. So it comes on the credit side as by Sudha, by sales returns. You will get the amount on the credit side as 4,000. Now, cash received from Sudha. We are receiving cash. The journal entry is, that is cash account debit to Sudha's account. So Sudha is on the credit. The entry will come on the credit side as by cash. By cash, the amount is 3,000. Then on February 22nd, received check from Sudha. Sudha is paying us with check. That means our bank balance is improved. Bank account debit to Sudha's account. So on February 22nd, on the credit side, we write down as to by bank account. Then the amount is, we are having 6,000, we are writing on the other side. Now, the last entry is February 20th, Sudha's account settled with 10% discount. Sudha is settling her account. So, first of all, we want to know the amount, how much due is from Sudha. That the debit side is total is 19,000 we are having. Just we write down 19,000, and on the credit side total is only 13,000. 19,000 minus 30 is 6,000. On 6,000, 10% discount means that comes to 600. And on the last day of the month, that is 28/2/2018, by cash, she is paying by cash, the remaining balance 5,400. That means now both side total will be equal, 19,000, 19,000. So once again remember here, whenever the balance due from means it comes on the debit side, to balance brought down 8,000. And sales, credit sales means the journal entry is Sudha's account debit to sales. So that we are writing on the debit side to sales 11,000. And again February 12th, we have goods returned by Sudha. Sudha is returning goods to us. So the journal entry is sales returns account debit to Sudha's account. So by sales returns 4,000. And on 16th, cash received from Sudha. That means the entry is that one, cash account debit to Sudha. So that by cash we are writing 3,000. And on 22nd, by bank account 6,000. So the balancing figure is 6,000, because 19,000 on the debit side, 13,000 on the credit side. So Sudha has to pay us 6,000. But we are giving us a discount of 10%. On 6,000, 10% comes to 600. And so that we are writing on the last day of the month. This year, the February consists of 28 days. By discount allowed 600. And the remaining balance we are paying by cash account 5,400. In this way, you are supposed to do the sum.